Hey guys, welcome back to Resin Bell, and I am still stuck on miniatures, so you're going to be seeing some miniature dollhouse kind of stuff, so hopefully you guys don't mind, and I will be on to something else, in about 3 seconds. So, I found these little wood kits at the Dollar Tree, and they're little wood shop kits that make a bird feeder, and I wanted to challenge myself to create something else besides the little bird feeder. So I picked up one of those, and I created this little shelf, this basically a 1/12 scale shelf. After that came out so cute, I wanted to challenge myself to make something a little more intricate, maybe. I mean, because the shelf is pretty simple, although it does work quite well. So I went back to the Dollar Tree to get some more of these and decided I'm going to try again to see what else I can make out of one kit. And then I found some more. And then I thought, well, you know what? I'm going to see what I can make with 2 kits. What kind of item could I make if I had 2 kits worth of stuff? So then I found some more. And I thought, hey, look here. There's a kit with some different shapes and stuff. But then I was looking at it and I was like, I don't know if I could really make a lot of things with those specific shape of pieces. So I thought I'll add one of these bird feeders and an airplane kit. And then I found a race car one. And it has some neat, interesting shapes. So I'll use a bird feeder kit and the race car. So that's where we're at. I'm going to be doing some videos and we'll see what I can come up with. And I'll show you guys, how that goes. So I'm going to see what I can think up for this next kit. Okay, so after playing around with the pieces a little bit, I think I've decided I'm going to try to build a little cabinet. So I'm going to take this is going to be the back, and I'm going to take the longer pieces and have the excess hanging off the bottom to create some little feet, basically. So those are going to go like that here. So then the sides will hang down farther. And then the top will come up. I'm going to cut this down a little bit so that it's not overhanging quite so much. And then this one I'll cut in half and place on the front. This will become a door. And then this one I will cut down into some shelves. So I think that's going to be a fun project. Alright, so I've got my pieces marked where I want to cut them. Right here. This one I've got marked halfway down. This is the large piece. This is how wide the cabinet is. And this is how deep my shelves need to be. So I'm going to make all those cuts and I'll be right back. Oh, also, I'm going to be using this little flush cut saw that I picked up at Harbor Freight for like $5. Best saw ever for making miniatures. Very handy. It's very thin, so it doesn't take up a whole lot. The teeth are very sharp, so it cuts really fast, and it's just a great little tool to have. Okay, so I've got this one, the top piece cut. Got that little piece cut off of it. I got this piece cut into 2, and the large piece I got the little shelves cut, so I don't need that piece or that one, and I have the 3 shelves that I need. One for the bottom, one here, and I think one there. Or I might just do, I don't know, I could just do 2 shelves and it'd be tall enough for larger items. But, I think 3 shelves is probably more accurate, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, so now it's time to glue some stuff together. And it does come, the kit does come with this glue. It is pretty good glue once it dries, but it takes a little bit for it to dry. So sometimes I use a little bit of super glue to help it along. so I have this piece here, and I've changed my mind on it. I would think I would like the top to kind of overlap the front a little bit, so I'm going to switch it out for this other piece, the last piece of the big piece that I cut the shelves out of, and I think that will make a nice little overhang for the door to fit underneath. So I'm just going to cut this down, pull this one off before the glue dries. Maybe a piece of paper. Alright, grabbed a little scrap piece of scrap of paper.